Okay, hi guys. Today we're going to read Biscuits for Speech Day. Biscuits for Speech Day. Here we are. Biscuit. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's a perfect day to spend at the beach. Woof woof. Here, have you been to the beach before, guys? Have you been to the beach here? Let me know in the comments. We can build a big sand castle at the beach. Biscuit, I have my plow and shovel. Woof woof. Have you built a sand castle, guys? Funny puppy. And you know just how to dig. Woof. Have you been digging in the sand? Because I have. It's been a long time that I haven't digged. The beach is filled with seashells. Biscuit. Let's see how many we can find. Woof woof. Have you collected seashells, guys? Let me know in the comments. Right here. Oh, Biscuit, you found a starfish. Woof woof. I'm just gonna say woof. Have you had a dog before? I did, but died. Look, Biscuit, Puddles is there. Woof woof, bow wow. This way, everybody, we can all go for a dip in the ocean. Have you been in the ocean, guys? Yeah, it's so fun. You can see starfishes, octopuses. They're so fun to go in there. Are you ready, Biscuit? Let's jump over the ocean. Waves together. Here comes a wave splash. Woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Oh no, Biscuit, not a big shake. Have you had a dog that did that? Yeah. It's time to dry off. It's lunchtime. Woof, woof, bow wow. Silly puppies, no tugging on the towel. It's fun to have a picnic at the beach. Biscuit, we picked sandwiches, fruit, and drinks. Woof, woof, bow wow. And some special treats for you too. I kind of like the dog bones. They have different shades. This is very cool. Oh no, there goes our beach ball. Woof woof. Good puppy, you found our beach ball. You found a seagull too. Woof. I love seagulls, they're so cute. The sky is bright and clear. A warm breeze is blowing. The beach is a great place to fly our kites. Follow me, Biscuit. Woof woof. Biscuit, Puddles, where are you going now? Woof woof, bow wow. They're so cute in there. Sweet puppies. That beach is a perfect place for lots of sun and fun. And a little nap too. We have some books here we can read. Click the button down below and you can see more. And have a great day. And make sure to like and subscribe for more. Bye.